Water is too precious to be used only once, but here in Windhoek, Namibia, every drop of water counts. It's the reason Windhoek became the first city in the world to produce drinking water from municipal wastewater. In 2001, a new water reclamation plant was built in Windhoek, operated by WINGOC, and Veolia, through its worldwide expertise, has been taking care of the facility since 2001 with WABAG. The plant uses advanced technology to produce 21,000 meter cubed of safe drinking water every day. That's a quarter of the total water consumed in Windhoek and enough to quench the thirst of 400,000 locals. Let's see how it works and the 10 steps it takes to refine the reclaimed water. Treated municipal water enters the plant and can be topped up with surface water. Ozone is added to disinfect the water and break down complex organic compounds. Activated carbon can also be added to remove dissolved organic compounds. A dose of ferric chloride starts the coagulation process. The water is stirred slowly to flocculate the smaller particles and grow them into bigger flocks. In the DAF tank, air bubbles blow in and stick to the flocks, floating them to the surface so they can be removed. Caustic soda and potassium permanganate are then added. This adjusts the pH and helps dissolved iron and manganese to oxidize and precipitate on the filter bed. The sand filters remove any suspended particles. The filtered water is injected with ozone to oxidize organic compounds so they will biodegrade and disinfect any harmful microbiology. A small amount of hydrogen peroxide destroys any ozone that's left. The water then passes through a biological activated carbon filter, where microorganisms remove any biodegradable organic compounds. The filtrate is then passed through an additional filter of granular activated carbon. Any micropollutants that remain are absorbed onto the porous surface of the carbon grains on the filters. The very finest particles, bacteria and viruses are then removed using ultrafiltration membranes, so the water is clean and free from impurities. Finally, the water is prepared for blending with other potable water sources by adding chlorine for disinfection and caustic soda to prevent pipes and appliances corroding. The plant at Windhoek is making every drop of water count. Recycling wastewater has made far more drinking water available for locals, but it's also great for the environment. Not only does it avoid tapping into natural resources, it also significantly reduces the discharge of pollutants. So it's cleaner for the planet too. For us, water is too precious to be used only once.